Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. Amid the controversy over Tirumala Prasadam, Andhra Pradesh Minister Nara Lokesh has hit out at the YSRCP. While speaking to Times Now, he has asked why was testing not done during Jagan's regime. Listen in.
Joining us now for a quick conversation is TDP leader Mr. Nara Lokesh. Sir, Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has leveled some startling allegations against Jagan Mohan Reddy like previous government. What is the reason behind these allegations? Where is the allegation rooting from, sir?
See, between 2019 to 24, when Jagan Mohan Reddy was the Chief Minister, there were a lot of allegations on the way they managed the Lord's responsibility. So it could, under the TTD, the board, the people there, the way they managed the entire thing was very, very poor. And in fact, in my Padayatra, the public did come and tell me that quality of the laddu, quality of the food was very bad. In fact, even ghee, the quality of the ghee was poor. So as soon as this NDA government came into power, we checked the quality of the ghee and there were serious issues where it was very clear that there was fish oil, pig fat and other animal products in it. So we actually sent it to a lab and got it tested. The S values are very clear. It's already in front of the public and we are going to take serious action on this issue.
Sir, Jagan's party is calling these allegations as politically motivated and false allegations.
Well, lab reports are lab reports. Lab reports, the lab report came from NDTV. It's a revered body. How can they say it's a false allegation? You know, in fact, the erstwhile EO challenged me saying that come to Tirumala, that he'll come. I'm here. I'm exactly an hour and a half away. Last night I challenged. I said I'm here. I'm willing to watch on the, take a, bow in front of the Lord and make it very clear that we have done nothing wrong. Nothing has been tampered. Why will we tamper as a state? It is them who mismanaged the funds. It is them who gave it to the worst of the worst contractors. And it is a known fact. You go to Tirumala, ask people, how was Laddu in the past, how is Laddu today? They'll clearly give you an idea. That is how mismanaged TTD was in the past.
Sir, now the Laddu was made 100% of pure ghee, sir, unlike the past.
No, we have gone in a very transparent manner. See, this is not the first time Mr. Naidu has become the Chief Minister. It's his fourth time. Thanks to the people of Andhra Pradesh, 6 times. People of Andhra Pradesh have blessed Telugu Desam Party. And look at it. From NTR to Babu Garu, they've always developed Tirumala. You know, the Q complex was started by NTR. Annadanam was started by NTR. Pranadanam, which is to give eyes and other organs after a person dies in Tirupati. It's called Pranadanam, was started by Chandrababu Naidu Garu. He brought in a lot of reforms. He ensured there's quality there. And as a family, Mr. Naidu is born, brought up in this area. His ancestral house overlooks. And we see the 7 hills every day. So as a family, on my son's birthday, for Annadanam we donate money. My son is 9 years old and in the last 9 years, every year, on his birthday, all 3 meals is given by the family. So that is the kind of responsibility with which we take things forward and we will manage the entire affairs of TTD.
So final question, sir. The National Dairy Development Board's test result clearly shows fish oil, beef, and then there is also presence of lard in that. So following this, what kind of action can we expect in connection to the officials who are linked to it?
No, we have to understand why this decision was taken, whether process was followed, yes or no, why there was no testing done. There were so many allegations in the past. The government should have taken the sample and tested. Why didn't they do it? Why did we have to do it?
That the whole process itself, it's going through a lot of rigorous testing. There is no need for it.
Where are the reports? Why wasn't sent to a lab? Why was it not sent to a lab? Will NDTV lie? It's so unfair. That is why I call him Feku Jagan. He loves to lie. Every day he lies. And he's also lying about the affairs of, TTD. See, as a Chief Minister, he might not know everything. But at least I think he should be honest about it. And his family member was the chairman for the longest of the time. Did he ever question him? Did he ever pull him up? Never did that. Never follow the basic rules of the TTD.
So now that the allegations have come up, after, if and when the crime is proven, completely proven, what kind of action can we expect?
No, we will. See, the test results are clear.
Yeah.
They're clear that the S values across all the 5 parameters are off. There is clear tampering that's happened. Adulteration has happened, and they've used everything possible. They've used everything possible to adulterate the ghee. It's a very sentimental issue for us. It's a very sentimental issue personally for us as a family also. People gave us this great responsibility. We take it with a lot of, we are very careful about it. We take this responsibility with a lot of great pride, and we ensure that we deliver on it. So definitely we're going to do an investigation. Whoever is behind this, we will not let them know. We will try them to the extent the law allows us to try them.
Sir, final question, sir. It's almost 100 days of the NDA, government, the Chandrababu Naidu government, new government here in Andhra Pradesh. How would you rate yourself, sir?
I truly believe that it's a public government. We came up with a campaign that this is a good government. People are responding very well. In 100 days, we have corrected a lot of things. Definitely, as any government would have it, there are areas that I think we can improve. We have discussed this in cabinet. Even the Honorable Chief Minister still believes that the sand policy that we have given is still not the best policy. We can do better. Prices are still high. We've had floods, so prices remain high. So we have to create a best policy for that and reduce the prices of sand and make sand even more accessible to the common man. So we are also learning in this journey. As a government, I will never say that we are perfect. Because no government is perfect, but we are here willing to learn, we are willing to hear from the people, understand the problems and correct ourselves, and that is the kind of government that this government will be for the next 5 years.
Sir, one question, sir. YSRCP MP Subbarao, he is telling that I'll come to Tirumala. I'll take an oath that there was no animal fat involved in the making of laddu during our regime. Will Chandrababu Naidu or his party members do the same? Will they take an oath about the claims that they make is what he is asking?
Well, in their tweet, they have asked either Mr. Naidu or Lokesh, that's me. One of us have to come. That was day before yesterday. Before the test results were kept in public domain. After they came in public domain, yesterday I challenged, last night I challenged. I haven't heard anything from that side.
They become silent after the result is what you're telling. Result came out.
Exactly. They've completely gone quiet. They're not talking about it anymore.
Are you telling that this itself is a sign of guiltiness, like guilt?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Their own MLAs, they knew it in the past, that the quality of laddu was poor. They told the Chief Minister back then that the laddu's quality is poor. People are criticizing us. But the earlier government never cared. The Honorable Chief Minister never met the public in the past. He would put pardas and go. He would cut all these beautiful trees. If there was a Chief Minister program, the trees would have been killed. I don't know what he was scared of. But that is a sad state of affairs in the erstwhile government. This is public government. We are here to solve their problems. We will remain with the public.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for talking to us. That is TDP leader Nara Lokesh telling us that, after the National Dairy Development Board's test result came out, everybody in the YSRCP party have gone silent. This itself is a sign that they are guilty of the tampering of the Prasadam is what he is telling. Let's see how this turns out politically in the upcoming days. But for the time being,
and with this, we will slip into another very, very short break. But that story is going to be our big focus when we return. Stay with us.